Guys, I took a CAD yen trade here, trend continuation. Getting some movement. I don't know if there was news or something. Maybe in Canada, I wasn't paying attention on that here this Friday, but already in the trade. So here, let's take a look. CAD yen. If you're new, guys, we use a higher time frame and a lower time frame in the war room in terms of structure and price action trades that I'm looking to take. Right now, we've been in a downtrend on the daily chart. Right, everyone can see that clearly in a downtrend. We come down into this level. We came up. We sold off. We got a bit of a bearish flag here. Right, which typically indicates that this will happen. It's not necessarily the rationale for my trade. However, we have retraced up. We had trouble getting any higher than here. And I was just looking for a little bit of downside movement here in terms of a trend continuation. We really failed to get any higher here. We had a big push here right there. We closed above that kind of little spike. And then since then, we just kind of fell off and didn't get any higher in terms of this move. So over here on the trading time frame on the 60-minute, typically what I'm doing is double tops, double bottoms at the structure levels I'm looking at, or a 2618 as an entry. Now, in terms of a trend continuation, this is more of a traditional style of trade in terms of trend continuation. So we were looking to move to the downside. In terms of what's happening here on the trading time frame, we had a structure break here, right? New structure lows. We've then struggled to get any higher than this area up in here. Right, and then right here we also had another structure break in terms of the most recent move that happened. So a bit of downside pressure. Now we did hold the line here, so that's where I'm looking for targets to come down into a little bit lower. Actually, looking left here. Actually, guys, no, that's incorrect. See, everyone makes mistakes, guys. Everyone makes mistakes. Right there at 77.67s. Okay, that's where I want my targets at. Right in line with this structure touches. Right, and then looking left, we had quite a bit of movement back in there. So I want to get filled here on this trade. Clearly a mistake, guys. It happens. A few pips off of where I wanted. That was the white line where I wanted my target order to be. Okay, everyone makes mistakes. It's important to stay on top of your trades so you know what's going on. Okay. Anyway, so that's moving nicely. Hopefully we'll get that to move again. We had that. Just zoom in here. Break and close below. Saw the retracement, said, okay, if I risk this much, I can make that much. One-to-one risk reward, let's do it. On a trend continuation trade, trend is already bearish because we looked at the daily chart. And we had this bear flag, which I found interesting. I still like these simple patterns, guys. I've never really looked at them in terms of how to enter or use them. But when I see them, just something I like, and I never really explored it too much. You might want to look at some simple patterns. They can be traded. It can be done. I just haven't explored it too much. They always had an interest deep down in my heart. Anyway, so